Hi guys, today let's create a smart text portrait effect in Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer. The name of it automatically changed to layer 0 after that. Click the adjustment icon, select brightness contrast. Increase contrast to around 75 and brightness to 16. Let's blur layer 0, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. 10 pixels. Head to File, Save As. Save this file as PSD format, name it as you want it, and click Save. Edit, step backward. To undo the blur action, bring back the original subject. Now there are lots of text for this effect. I've prepared this before, just copy it. Move back to Photoshop, pick Text tool. Click to the top left corner and drag all the way down to the right to cover all images. Then paste all the text repeatedly until the subject is covered by text. Once you're done, Window, Character to open Character window. Move to Paragraph, make sure to select Justify. In Character tab, you can customize text like size, spacing, color, bold, underline, or anything else that you prefer. Go to Filter, Distort, Display, Convert to Smart Object. Set the value as below: horizontal scale 5, vertical scale 10. Displacement map, stretch to fit. Undefined areas, repeat edge pixels. Confirm. Open the blur PSD file that you saved at the beginning. Take the layer 0 above the text and clipping match it with Ctrl-Alt-G or Command-Option-G. Create a new layer and fill it with black by Alt or Option-Delete. Put the layer at the bottom. Click to the top layer to increase brightness a little bit. Enjoy! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.